Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today we have the all-new 46mm Apple Watch Series 10 with the jet black color and the black sports band. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see how that color combination looks together. We're going to open it up, same type of box as the Series 8. I'm actually wearing the Series 9 on my wrist. I guess it's Series 8. I believe it's the same type of box as the Series 9. And there it is right there. You get greeted with that nice black colored watch face. And then we have the black sports band to go with it as well. Pull back these tabs. There it is. Inside its little blanket. They used to actually be felt. Now they're just made of paper. You just rip them, come right out. And there it is, jet black. We'll take a closer look in a second. See what else we get with this. So you're gonna get your standard USB braided cable here, USB C, and it does have metal surrounding it, which is nice. I'm just gonna tear it out. Has that metal surrounding it. And if this is anything like the iPhone, I guess we're not gonna get any stickers. No, just your manuals and paperwork. As for the black sports band, I went and got the large medium size, pretty standard size that fits most. And there's the color right there, just some paperwork as well. All right, let's pull this out. Nice sport band to go with the jet black Apple Watch. Let's just put this in and then we'll see how it looks. I never remember which way these go, and then when I put them on I usually figure it out, but it should be pretty good. I've already got this Apple Watch on, so we'll pull that one off. You can see the color combination. The jet black literally kind of blends right into the screen. That's really nice looking all the way around. So there it is on the wrist. Just power it on, and there it is. That's the black on black combination with the sports band. That is what you're going to get if you're planning on purchasing it. Just to give you an example here of the Apple Watch Series 9 side by side. That's the difference in size. It's hard to see, but this one is larger than this one. And if you are looking for another color combination, obviously red on red is my favorite. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And as always, I will see you in the next one.